How to measure ring size. Measuring your ring size accurately ensures a comfortable and secure fit. There are several methods to find the right size, whether you're measuring at home or visiting a jeweler. 1. Use a ring sizer tool. The most accurate method is using a ring sizer tool, which you can purchase online. There are two types. Plastic ring sizer belt resembles a small measuring tape. Metal ring sizer set contains various ring sizes to test on your finger. Simply place the tool around your finger, adjust until snug but comfortable, and read the measurements. 2. Measure with a string or paper strip. If you don't have a ring sizer, you can use a string or strip of paper. Follow these steps. Cut a strip of paper about 1/4 inch wide or use a piece of string. Wrap it around the base of your finger, not too tight or loose. Mark where the ends meet. Measure the length of the strip in millimeters. Compare the measurement to a ring size chart, such as 54 millimeters corresponds to size 7 in the US. 3. Measure an existing ring. If you have a ring that fits well, you can measure its diameter to find the correct size. Place the ring on a ruler. Measure the inside diameter across the widest part of the ring. Match the diameter with a sizing chart, such as 16.5 millimeters equals US size 6. 4th, visit a jeweler. Professional jewelers have standardized tools to measure your finger accurately. This is the most reliable method, especially if you're investing in an expensive ring. 5. Consider finger swelling. Measure your finger at different times of the day. Fingers tend to swell in the evening and shrink in the morning. Avoid measuring when your fingers are cold, as they'll be smaller than usual. 6th, account for ring width. Wider bands tend to fit more snugly than thinner ones. If you're selecting a wide ring, consider going up by half a size. 7th, international ring sizes. Ring sizes vary by country, for example, US and Canada. Numeric, such as size 6, size 7, UK and Australia. Alphabetic, such as L, M, N. Europe, diameter in millimeters, such as 16.5 millimeters. Conversion charts are available to help translate sizes between different systems. Measuring your ring size accurately helps ensure a perfect fit, minimizing the need for resizing later. If in doubt, consult a jeweler or use multiple methods to cross-check your measurement.